Nice. We sure need rain here in SoCal. This is awesome. Just don't let the flies in, huh? This is amazing. I hope it's measurable rain because it hasn't rained in 3 months. This is outstanding. It's really good for the environment. This is a tropical rain here. Warm summer rain. Doesn't get any better than this. All we need is thunder and lightning. Yeah. This is like Hawaii or Florida. This is the weather they usually get out there. But we could sure use some rain anytime here in LA. This is a good way to end the drought. It's going to help all these wildfires and all, but this is nice. Simply amazing.